very clear that this is not any one particular incident involving Junaid. It is against many such incidents that are happening with total impunity in India because the perpetrators are resting in complete peace knowing that no action will be taken against them. So whether it is against the DCP in Srinagar, against Junaid, against couples who have been accused of love jihad, any reason becomes enough for people to indulge in mob lynching. We are demanding that there should be a special law against mob lynching. This cannot happen in our name. The fact is that all these people that have gathered here today, they have come spontaneously. This demonstration has not been organized by any political party, by no NGO. It has just come together with groups of people just on the sheer power of the social media and SMSs, WhatsApp and Facebook. We are saying, as citizens of this country who take great pride in being Indians, we protest and we will not accept these killings in our name.
Why do you think that the Indian, basically the people are getting aggressive? Be it protest, be it of reservation protest, they are burning the buses, there has been lynching happening.
Because until and unless things like this are put down with a firm hand, unless the rule of law is established, people will continue with impunity because they feel that we have nothing to lose. All we are saying is establish the rule of law and make sure that these people get punished so the message goes out loud and clear that we are not going to tolerate mob lynching.
Madam, not many people speak against the government, basically the rich people and the well-known people. You hear lots of people from celebrities to many activists are being gathered here. Do you think that this type of protest will bring some change in this?
Well, if you remember what happened in the Nirbhaya case, it was citizens getting together and saying enough is enough, and that landed in the Justice Verma Commission, the ecosystem around it being changed. Obviously, change doesn't happen overnight. But for citizens to be aware of their democratic rights and for them to protest and say this is not in my name is a beginning, because this power is in our hands because we love our country and we don't want it to be named because of this.
Madam, even earlier there was thing, but this thing never happened in the name of religion, in the name of eating habits.
It has always happened. It would be completely wrong to say that this is a new phenomena. It has happened, not with the impunity that it is happening now. And that is a cause of concern. That's why we have to say this has to be treated like a law and order situation, and people, the perpetrators have to be punished.
Last question, do you think that there's any involvement of the government over here because of them this is happening, all this thing?
If you turn a blind eye and if you do not take action against the perpetrators, it will only embolden them.
This is something which is Shabana Azmi saying, and there are hundreds of people who have been gathered over here. Lots of celebrities such as Ranveer Shaurya, Shabana Azmi, activist Tista Chittalwad, Rana Ayub. Many people have gathered over here, and they are just demanding that this system should be stopped. People should not be judged with the name, religion, or eating habits. And because the people are getting very aggressive, and here lots of things will be happening. There, if you can see this right now, if I turn the camera, there are people who are here are just protesting. They are singing Dushyant Kumar's Kavitas and everything. And this is something which is the people have gathered here. There is no political party involvement. There is just the social media campaign, and people of Mumbai basically are very aggressive on this because they want this thing to be stopped.